with me, then please do me the favor of killing me at once, so that I need no longer face this distress." The word of the Lord. Responsorial Psalm. Let our response be, "Sing with joy to God our help. My people heard not my voice, and Israel obeyed me not, so I gave them up to the hardness of their hearts, they walked according to their own counsels." Response. Sing with joy to God our help. If only my people would hear me, and Israel walk in my ways, quickly would I humble their enemies, against their foes I would turn my hand. Response. Sing with joy to God our help. Those who hated the Lord would seek to flatter me, but their fate would endure forever, while Israel I would feed with the best of wheat, and with honey from the rock I would fill them. Response. Sing with joy to God our help. Gospel reading. A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Saint Matthew. When Jesus heard of the death of John the Baptist, he withdrew in a boat to a deserted place by himself. The crowds heard of this and followed him on foot from their towns. When he disembarked and saw the vast crowd, his heart was moved with pity for them, and he cured their sick. When it was evening, the disciples approached him and said, "This is a deserted place and it is already late. Dismiss the crowd so that they can go to the villages and buy food for themselves." He said to them, "There is no need for them to go away, give them some food yourselves." But they said to him, "5 loaves and 2 fish are all we have here." Then he said, "Bring them here to me," and he ordered the crowds to sit down on the grass. Taking the 5 loaves and the 2 fish, and looking up to heaven, he said the blessing, broke the loaves, and gave them to the disciples, who in turn gave them to the crowds. They all ate and were satisfied, and they picked up the fragments left over 12 wicker baskets full. Those who ate were about 5,000 men, not counting women and children. The Gospel of the Lord.